Ever feel like you need extra cash, but you're not sure how to make it happen? Maybe you want to save up for something big, help your family, or just have some spending money. The good news is, you don't need a job at a fast food place to start earning. There are plenty of ways to make money as a teenager, even if you have no experience. Some of these ideas require a little effort, while others can make you money in your sleep. Stick around until the end, because the last one is something most teens never think about, but it pays surprisingly well. To make sure you don't miss any videos from this channel, don't forget to subscribe. 10. Become a social media manager. If you spend hours on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, why not get paid for it? Many small businesses, influencers, and even local shops need help managing their social media but can't afford full-time managers. If you know how to create posts, engage with followers, and schedule content, you can offer this as a service. Start by managing your own accounts or helping a friend's small business for free. Once you have experience, reach out to local businesses and offer your services for a monthly fee. Use free tools like Canva to create eye-catching posts and Buffer to schedule them. This side hustle can easily turn into a long-term job with steady clients. 9. Flipping items for profit. Flipping is one of the easiest ways to make money without needing special skills. All you have to do is buy things for cheap and sell them for more. You can start by selling things around your house: old clothes, video games, or sneakers you don't wear anymore. List them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. If you want to take it to the next level, visit thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales to find underpriced items. Sneakers, vintage clothing, books, and electronics are some of the best things to flip. Before buying, check eBay's sold listings to see what similar items are actually selling for. This way, you know you're getting a good deal. 8. Start a print-on-demand store. If you're creative, a print-on-demand business can be a great way to make passive income. You design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, and websites like Teespring, Printify, and Redbubble handle the printing and shipping. Even if you're not an artist, you can use Canva to make simple designs with quotes, memes, or aesthetic text. The trick is to target niche audiences. Things like gaming jokes, school humor, or fitness quotes tend to sell well. Promote your designs on social media, and over time, this can become a great income source. 7. Offer local services like lawn care or pet sitting. Not everything has to be online. Simple services like lawn mowing, snow shoveling, and pet sitting are great ways to earn money, especially in your local area. Many people, especially busy homeowners and elderly individuals, prefer paying someone reliable rather than doing these tasks themselves. Start by offering your services to neighbors, family friends, or people in your community. You can charge per job or set up weekly or monthly packages for regular work. Word of mouth is powerful. So once you have a few happy customers, ask for referrals or promote your services on local Facebook groups. This kind of work doesn't require any special skills, just consistency, reliability, and a good attitude. If you do a great job, you'll have repeat customers and steady income year-round. Over time, you can even expand by adding more services, like painting, cleaning, or basic home repairs. 6. Gaming for money. If you love playing video games, you can actually make money from it. One of the easiest ways is live streaming on Twitch or YouTube, where viewers can donate money and you can earn through ads and sponsorships. Another way is joining gaming tournaments that offer cash prizes. Competitive games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, or FIFA often have prize pools for skilled players. You can also make money by selling in-game items, skins, or accounts on platforms like PlayerUp. If you're really good at a game, consider offering coaching services to help other players improve. Websites like Gamer Sensei let you teach people and charge per session. While gaming for money takes time to build, if you're consistent, you can turn your hobby into a real income source. Some gamers even make a full-time living just by playing and creating content. 5. Freelancing for quick cash. Freelancing is a great way to make money, and you don't need years of experience to start. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour let you offer services like writing, video editing, voiceovers, graphic design, or virtual assistants. Not sure what to do? Look at popular gigs and see what fits your skills. Simple jobs like removing backgrounds from images, making PowerPoint presentations, or proofreading documents are always in demand. Start with lower prices to attract clients, and once you build your profile with positive reviews, you can increase your rates. The more you work, the more you'll earn. 4. Selling stock photos and videos. If you like taking photos or making short video clips, you can sell them on sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels. You don't need a fancy camera, your smartphone works fine. Businesses, bloggers, and YouTubers constantly need stock photos of city life, nature, home offices, or seasonal themes. Once you upload your images, they can sell over and over again, without you doing anything extra. If you're into video, stock footage sells even better. Focus on short clips that businesses can use in ads or social media posts. This is an easy way to make passive income over time. 3. Tutoring younger students. If you're good at a subject, tutoring can be a simple and profitable way to make money. Many parents are willing to pay for extra help in math, science, English, or reading to improve their child's performance in school. You can offer in-person tutoring in your neighborhood or find students through local Facebook groups and community boards. If you prefer working online, websites like Wizant, Cambly, and Preply allow you to teach students remotely. Some platforms don't even require expert knowledge. If you're fluent in English, you can help non-native speakers practice conversation and charge per session. For passive income, consider creating study guides, flashcards, or cheat sheets and selling them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. 2. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to make money without handling inventory. You create something once and sell it repeatedly. Some great ideas include printable planners, study guides, resume templates, or Instagram graphics. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify let you upload and sell your creations. Even if you're not a designer, free tools like Canva make it easy to create professional-looking products. The secret is finding what people already want. Check Etsy trends and create something similar but better. 1. Affiliate marketing for passive income. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make long-term passive income online. It works by promoting products or services and earning a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. Unlike selling your own products, you don't need to deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service. You just recommend things that people already want to buy. Many well-known companies, including Amazon, Shopify, and tech brands like Apple and Microsoft, have free affiliate programs you can join. To get started, create a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok account where you share product reviews or recommendations. Over time, affiliate marketing can turn into a steady source of passive income. Which side hustle are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.